Hi folks, my name is Tom Peterson and I'm going to do a nice presentation for you here of this 2017 22G Northwood Arctic Fox. High-end, great big floor plan inside, nice open concept. We'll show you what it looks like here. And on the inside, it does have, again, very open concept. You got a nice big queen bed up front here. Lots of closet space on the left side. It's got a full closet, and then you got a shirt closet on the right with a nightstand. You've got nice overhead cupboards above the bed, map lights, and more storage for smart devices and tablets and books and reading stuff right behind the head of the bed there as well. And then you've got windows on both sides. And this one does have the nice dual pane windows, which is another nice feature as well too. It does have the solid surface counters, the under sink stainless steel 50/50 sink. You do have large oven, 3-burner stove there with the cover. And you've also got a skylight that is in the above the kitchen, adds a lot more light as well too. And then you've got your booth dinette to the other side with storage above that and a TV on the wall there going towards the bathroom. It's a wide body, so it's already 8.5 foot wide, which makes it much more roomier even without having to slide out, which is another big plus. And so you got shirt or jacket coat closet, and you also have some other drawers as well, 2-foot pedal flush toilet, large lavatory sink, and you've got a nice solid door on your shower too as well. So a very good open area, really nice arched ceilings inside. We'll go outside now and take a look. You got the big patio awning with push button, of course, electric, and you've got custom wheels. You've got some other storage which you can access on the outside as well too. That will get to some of the plumbing if needed. You've got a nice large wrapped bumper on the back end, and you've got a ladder to get up on the roof if you ever need to take a look up there. Be careful, of course. And then you also have a nice heavy duty backup lens assembly here, which is really nicely put up together instead of the little inexpensive pop-on one. So nice backup lights there, and outside lighting here as well by where your dump area is, a nice big LED light there too. And you've got these slam latch type door setups on the outside with a magnet and a pass-through storage all the way there. And also on the very front, it has one-piece fiberglass cap, which is also a real unique feature to have. It really protects that whole framework of that front area, that coach. And you also got room for 2 batteries up front. You got 2 big tanks on your propane tanks and a power tongue jack. So if you have any more questions about this 2017 22G Arctic Fox, give me a call at the number you see at the end of the video. Again, it's Tom Peterson, been here for just about 30 years now. Great place to consider buying here at Guaranty in Junction City. And remember, it's an RV show here every day.